Hey guys, myself Alaika Qureshi. I am a student of MCA 6th SEM and this is my Unix assignment which is guided by Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. And today in this video I am going to discuss on some Unix topics. The topics which I am going to cover in this video are pwd command. What is pwd command? How to print the current working directory. Cd command. What is cd command? Cd command syntax and its example. What is mkdir command? And some question answers from the chapter 9, the process, which is from book Sumita Badas. First we have to understand what do you mean by Unix command. Unix commands are the string of characters typed in at the keyboard. To run a command, you just type it at the keyboard and press enter key. Unix commands are case sensitive. Upper and lower case characters are considered differently. All the Unix commands should be typed in lowercase character. We will look at following command: pwd command, cd command, mkdir command. What is pwd command? The pwd command is an acronym for print working directory. Pwd command is a super simple way of confirming where you are in the file system tree. The pwd command is a command line utility for printing the current working directory. It will print the full system path of the current working directory to standard output, that is on your monitor screen. The pwd command is normally a shell built-in command that is executed directly in the shell itself instead of external executable program. Now moving to its syntax. Pwd space option. We can also print the value of pwd by using a variable var and assigning a value of pwd in its variable in this variable. Var is equals to $pwd echo double quotes the current working directory $var. How to print the current working directory? To print the current working directory, run the pwd command. The full path of the current working directory will be printed to your standard output. $pwd /home/olaika. In short, / indicates the root directory on your system or the file system. Home is a subdirectory and olaika is also a subdirectory. Moving to next command, what is cd command? What is cd command? The cd change directory command is used to change current working directory in Unix operating system. It is one of the most basic and frequently used command when working on Unix terminal. The current working directory is the directory or folder in which the user is currently working in. Each time you interact with your command prompt, you are working within a directory. Moving to its syntax and some examples. cd syntax. $cd and name of the directory. Some cd command example. Change to home working directory. $cd. Also change to home directory. $cd tilde. Change to root directory. $cd /. Change to parent directory. $cd double dot. Change to subdirectory document $cd documents. Change to subdirectory document slash books $cd document slash book. Change to directory with absolute path. You can also give absolute path to change directory by using $cd slash home slash user slash desktop. Now, what is the difference between cd double dot and cd slash command? Cd double dot. When typing the cd double dot command, need to have a space between cd and double dots. These move the directory back one directory, also known as parent directory. As shown below, if you are in slash public underscore html slash cgi dash bin directory, using the command cd double dot takes you back to public underscore html directory as you saw on your screen. Now cd slash command. This command takes you back to the root directory of the current drive. As you show below, if we were in same slash public underscore html slash cgi dash bin directory and type the cd slash command, it would take you to the slash directory. Here is a tip for you. Unless you have root right or proper permission, you can't list the file in this directory. If you want to get to the root home directory, type cd tilde at the command prompt. Moving to next command, which is mkdir command. mkdir command in Unix allow user to create directory or folders. The mkdir command can create multiple directory at once and also set permissions when creating the directory. The user running the command must have appropriate permissions. mkdir syntax. mkdir space options space directory name. How to create a directory? The syntax for creating directory without argument using the mkdir command is mkdir space my directory. Here, my directory is the name of the directory. Now I am using ls command for confirming that my directory is created or not. ls command lists the directories. Moving to next, how to create multiple directories. To create multiple directories in Unix using the mkdir command, pass the name of the directory to be created to mkdir command. The name of the directory should be separated by spaces. For example, mkdir foo space bar space bus, and use ls command for confirming that the directory is created. ls space foo space bar space z. Print or display verbose output using -v option with mkdir command. If you desire to print or display the operation of mkdir command, use -v option as follows: mkdir -v and directory name. In our case, we should take 3 more directory and display the output mkdir -v directory 4 directory 5 directory 6, and as you saw output on your screen. Moving to next slide. Create subdirectories using the -p option. The mkdir -p command allows you to create nested directories or parent directories only if they do not exist. If you have a directory /dir1 and you run following command mkdir -p /dir1 /dir2 /dir3. The above command creates dir2 inside dir1 and dir3 in dir2. Assigning permission using the -m option. By default, the mkdir assign rwx r-x permission or simply 755 in octal format. Each group here represents a category and contains 3 slots representing the read, write and execute permission of the file or directory. In that order, R indicates read permission, which means by using cat command we can display the file. W indicates write permission. You can edit such a file with an editor. X indicates execute permission. The file can be executed as a program. The hyphen shows the absence of the corresponding permission. The first group RWX has all the permission. That means the directory or the file is readable, writeable and executable by the owner of the file. The second group R-X, which indicates the absence of write permission by the group owner of the file. The third group R-X has the read and execute permission. This set is permission for others. Here is an octal format of permissions 755. Here 7 represent read, write and execute permission. 5 represent readable and executable permission for the group, and another group represent permission of others, readable and executable. If you want to assign different values, use the mkdir -m and the corresponding permissions. Its syntax is mkdir -m octal value and directory name. For example, we are going to create a directory called docs and assign it all the permissions. Octal value 777. To accomplish that, we should execute the following command mkdir -m 777 docs. To verify that We have created the directory with the assigned values executed by using ls-l command. ls-l will show us full listing of our directories. Next slide is test your understanding or some question answers, which is from chapter number 9, the process. First we have to understand what is process. A process is a Unix abstraction that enables us to look at files and program in another way. A file is treated as a simple file when it lies in a dormant state on disk. It can also be understood as a process when it is executed. Like living organisms, processes are born. They give birth to other process and also dies. Process makes things happen in Unix. How will you use kill command to ensure that a process is killed and display the signal list on your system? To ensure that the process is killed, we will use kill -s kill. And to display the signal list on your system, we will use kill with -l option. To view the list of all signal name and numbers that are available on your machine, we must have a look on kill command. Kill is a internal command in most shell. It sends a signal, usually with the intention of killing one or more process. Question number 1. Name some commands that don't require a separate process. Answer: cd command, current directory command, pwd command, print working directory command, and echo command. Moving to question number 2. How do you find out the complete command line of a process run by the user Timothy? Answer: ps -f -u Timothy. Here ps is a process status. This command is used to display some process attributes. By default, ps displays the processes honored on by the user running the command. -f represent full listing. To get a detailed listing which also shows the parent of every process, this -f option is used with ps command. Then it will show uid, PID, PPID, C, S time, TTY time, and CMD. PID shows the process ID. TTY with shows the terminal with which the process is associated. S time show the time the process started. PPID is the ID of parent. UID is the ID of owner of every process. cmd displays the entire command line with its argument. -u option is used to displaying processes of user. The system administrator needs to use the -u option to know the activity of any user. These options will show PID, TTY, time and CMD. Moving to next question. Question number 4. How will you kill the last background job without knowing its PID? So first we have to look on PID. PID means process ID. Each process is uniquely identified by a unique integer called process ID that's allotted by the kernel. When the process is born, we need this PID to control a process, for instance, or to kill it. So, how will you kill the last job without knowing its PID? We will kill the last background job without knowing its PID by using kill $not command, which should work on most shell. The system variable $not store the PID of the last background job. So you can kill the last background process without using the ps command to find out its PID. Question number 5. Using malloc, how do you send the ps output showing all system processes to user Charlie? Answer: ps -e pipe malloc Charlie. To list all the processes running on your machine, use the -e or -a option with ps command. Malloc command is used in both modes, sending and receiving. In sending mode, malloc is used with email ID or email address as an argument. In receiving mode, you generally use it without argument to handle your received mails. Here, ps-e output stores in malloc Charlie. And in this way, by using this command, we will send the output of ps to user Charlie. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.